G'day. So one of my carbon shafts got a little crack down the knock end. Simple way to fix if the crack's not too severe is to cut a little bit off an aluminium shaft of the right diameter, inside diameter, and glue it over the top to reinforce the crack. It's fairly straightforward. Cut the desired length from the shaft, put a little bit of glue on. I put a little bit of glue on the crack, super glue on the crack beforehand, and then just slide it over and make sure it's flush with the knock end. Leave it to dry, maybe overnight, depending on what glue you use, and then put your knock back in. This may have a slight impact on arrow performance, but it's better than having to replace a shaft. The crack occurred after a heavy hit with a wall or rock or something, so it always pays to check your shafts out, your carbon shafts, after you hit something hard. Good luck.